How to access service menu on FINLUX LED TV and perform factory reset. The service menu is a handy aid that lets you access various troubleshooting options and extended TV settings for your device. The service menu provides access to the following settings, like factory reset or hard reset, digital tuner, enable and disable hotel mode and other features, Wi-Fi region, BT support and screen test etc. These allow you to make major changes to the default values set in your FINLUX LED TV. Use the service menu with extreme caution, and be thoroughly familiar with it. Our channel will not be responsible for any kind of error.
FINLUX LED TV service menu codes. First code is press input, then press 4725. Second code is press menu 4725. Third code is press display, then press 4725. Fourth code is press source, then press 47, then press 25. Service menu show on your TV screen. FINLUX TV's factory reset. First of all, open service menu, then highlight shipping or factory reset mode in service menu. Then press right arrow button on your remote control. After a little moment, your TV will be hard reset. For any information, please visit our website.